Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 7NOW food and drinks delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. 7NOW is a food and drinks delivery app developed by 7-Eleven. It allows users to order snacks, groceries, beverages, and even convenience items straight to their doorstep. Available in most U.S. cities, 7NOW offers 24/7 delivery, making it a reliable option for late-night cravings or quick essentials. The app also provides real-time tracking and offers membership benefits through the 7NOW Gold Pass for free deliveries on eligible orders. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's fast delivery times, wide product range, and frequent promotions. It's especially popular for quick snack runs or emergency grocery needs. The interface is simple to use, and deliveries often arrive within 30 minutes in covered areas. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional order mix-ups, limited delivery zones in smaller cities, and slightly higher prices compared to in-store purchases. The subscription for free delivery may not be worth it for infrequent users. In summary, the 7NOW app may be worth using if you want fast, convenient access to food, drinks, and essentials anytime. However, if you live outside major cities or prefer lower prices, you might find better value with other grocery delivery services. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.